to 8 on a hand, level 5. Still going to be dealing with our single accents. We're still going to be dealing with our one measure of 16th notes. This time, we're going to add some dynamics to the 16th notes. You'll see a sign that looks like this under that measure of 16th notes. At the beginning of the measure, you'll see a dynamic marking of piano or quiet. By the end of the measure, you'll see the dynamic marking of forte or loud. We're going to start the 16th notes soft, and by the end of that one measure, they're going to be loud. So we're going to see a gradual increase in volume over the course of the one measure. Check out the alternate sticking pattern as well. Once you feel comfortable leading with your right hand, go back, lead with your left. Don't forget, everything that we learned in levels 1 through 4 are going to apply here as well. So we want to make sure we're hitting the center of the drum. We're checking our speed limit. We're not going too fast or too slow. We're using our ear to stay right there with the metronome, the jam track, or in this case, myself. I'm going to break this one up and play it one round at a time. Here's round 1. Here's round 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and a 3 and a 40 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 40 and a 1. Here's round 3. This one's a little tricky because there's no accent on beat number 1. So that means when we're coming out of the roll, instead of accenting beat 1, top of the line, we need to bring it back down for the unaccented notes. And save it for beat 2. Accents on beats 2 and 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Here we go, round 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2. Okay, round 5. This one can be tricky because we have an accented note followed by an unaccented note. Accented note, unaccented note. So let's really make sure that accented note is up here, non-accented note is down here. Remember this gap. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it, 8 on a hand level 5. Remember, once you feel comfortable starting this page with your right hand, go back and do the alternate sticking, leading with your left. Check out the bottom 2 lines. You can write in your own accents to create your own patterns. Now, it's easy to forget why we put the time in on these exercises on a pad like this. I hope you're finding joy out of it, but I'm telling you right now, if you develop these tools and bring it to the drum set, you are going to be a much more creative, interesting, emotional musician. I know I am genuinely excited for all of you guys to be diving into the world of accents and dynamics. It has done wonders for my playing, and it's gonna help you out too.